one of the pieces of advice that I will give you is people are always trying to sell their services, whether or not it's an accountant, an attorney, they're in it to make money. And as Tamika had experienced, they'll oversell even though your company isn't a size that needs it. So here are a couple of numbers that I want you to keep in the back of your mind. And this is from an SBA or 8A perspective. It's at 2.5 million in revenue that you need reviewed financials. And it's not until you hit 10 million in revenue that you need audited financials. So just keep that in mind. If some CPA is trying to tell you, oh, well, you need audited financials every year, and you're bringing in 500,000, it's time to get a new CPA, because unless you're going for a contract that specifically says you have to have audited financials, don't play that, because an audited financial statement is going to cost you 10 grand.
Yep.
And so reviewed financials are going to cost you about 4 grand. And if you don't have to have those, having a DCAA compliant accounting system is not that hard. That means you have a DCAA compliant chart of accounts. That means that you're, doing your labor costs and you have your cost pools appropriate. It's now, of course, I'm going to say it's not that hard because I have a background in finance and accounting. But what I'm trying to tell you is if somebody's telling you you need audited or reviewed financials at 4 and 10 grand, and you're making 500,000 a year, it's time to look for somebody new. And so don't let a CP that categorization of a CPA fool you.